Welcome to our video on the top PS5 SSDs of 2023. If you're looking to upgrade your PS5 storage, then you've come to the right place. We've done the research and tested out the top SSDs on the market to bring you the best options for your gaming set. Best PS5 SSD overall. First up, we have the WD-SN 850. The WD-SN 850X PS5 SSD offers categorical speeds for the PS5 at an affordable price. Pros: the 1TB model is under $200. It comes with a heat spreader that ensures the SSD won't overheat. It's built specifically for PS5 requirements. Cons: the 2TB and 4TB models are more expensive. The WD-SN 850X is a great option for gamers who want fast load times without breaking the bank. Best budget PS5 SSD. Next, we have the Corsair MP600 PRO LPX. This SSD is available in 500GB, 1TB, 2TB, and 4TB models and is built specifically for the PS5. Pros: consistent performance. 5 years warranty. Runs cool. Cons: not the fastest SSD on market. If you're looking for an affordable option that still offers good performance, then the Corsair MP600 PRO LPX is a great pick. It's not the fastest SSD out there, but it provides consistent performance and won't overheat in your PS5. Best 4TB PS5 SSD. For those looking for a lot of storage space, the PNYCS 3040 is the best 4TB SSD for the PS5. Pros: fast read and write performance. Comes with a 5-year warranty and 3-year data recovery service. Runs cool. Cons: higher capacities can get expensive. The PNYCS 3040 offers a lot of storage space for your games and is also fast and efficient. While the higher capacities can get pricey, it's an investment that you won't have to worry about upgrading again. Best performance PS5 SSD. Finally, we have the Seagate FireCuda 530. This SSD is the fastest on the market for the PS5. Pros: fast read and write speeds. Included heatsink. Budget-friendly price. Cons: not available in higher capacities. If you're looking for the best performance possible, then the Seagate FireCuda 530 is the way to go. It has fast read and write speeds, a built-in heatsink, and a budget-friendly price. The only downside is that it's not available in higher capacity. If you're looking for the best performance possible, then the Seagate FireCuda 530 is the way to go. It has fast read and write speeds, a built-in heatsink, and a budget-friendly price. The only downside is that it's not available in higher capacity. Best external PS5 SSD. WD_Black P50 Game Drive. The WD_Black P50 Game Drive beats out the competitors with extremely quick speeds and a compact dimension. But what you get for the price is super fast and reliable storage, 4TB of it, in a sleek black enclosure that's stealthy and won't stick out like a sore thumb in your living room. If you want to spare no expense and expand your PS5 storage that will last you a very long time, the WD_Black P50 Game Drive is worth checking out. But the premium you're paying will not translate into better performance.